In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix password not working in Salesforce. 5 minutes. If you can't sign in, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will get you back into your account safely and without guesswork. Start at the Salesforce login page. If your password isn't working, the safest and fastest path is to reset it rather than trying multiple times. This helps you avoid a temporary lockout due to too many failed attempts, and it ensures you set a fresh, known good password. On the login screen, select the link that says Forgot Your Password. This opens Salesforce's secure reset flow. It's the official method, so you're not bypassing anything, just confirming you are who you say you are and creating new credentials. When prompted, enter your Salesforce username and click Continue. For many users, the username is an email address, but it might be different depending on your organization. Make sure you're using the correct environment too. Production and sandbox logins can have different usernames. If you're unsure, check with your admin or look for the exact username used in your previous Salesforce welcome emails. Next, Salesforce will send a password reset email to the address associated with that username. Open your inbox and look for the message from Salesforce with the reset link. If it's not there within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure any focused inbox filters aren't hiding it. Reset links can expire and are usually one-time use, so open the most recent email and click the link right away. That link will take you to a secure page. You'll be asked to answer your security question and then create a new password. Type your answer exactly as you originally said it. Matching capitalization and spacing can matter. For the password, follow the on-screen requirements, which typically include minimum length and a mix of character types. Choose something memorable but unique, avoid using personal info, and don't reuse old passwords. Confirm the new password and submit. After that, you're ready to sign in with your username and your new password. If you still can't access your account, you may be on the wrong login page using a different environment, or your organization may use single sign-on. In those cases, repeat the reset on the correct login page or reach out to your Salesforce administrator for help. And that's it. Quick, secure, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into Salesforce with confidence.